Cool, we're back. Everything looks exposed properly. For today, what I have planned, we have no like actual goal really. I'm not sure what I really want to do. Kind of want to show off the car. We're gonna pull it in the driveway actually. I haven't tried pulling it in the driveway. It's decently low because it already has coilovers and everything, but show the car off a little bit. We'll do cold start and I don't know. We'll see where it goes. Cool, now that we've made it outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. This is it. I have it pulled in front of the house because Mom parks there, and that's my old truck. That's so weird saying old truck. This is it. This is the Z, my Diablo headlights. Quick little walk around and talk about the car. Front end, it is the 98 JDM bumper, as you could tell. Has the front license plate mounts. Yes, genuine fog lights, they work. Don't frickin' judge me and say that they don't work, because they frickin' do, and they're wired correctly. So take that. I have the 98 JDM taillights as well. So these are an amber, this is an amber and red and whatnot. Actually looks really good. For exhaust, it is not stock, definitely not. It is an old Genie turbo exhaust, which is getting really hard to find. I don't even know if you could find any now. If you can find one, let me know. That'd be pretty cool. Put it in the comments down below. Really old, but really rare. So I feel pretty cool talking about it. Wheels, we have some rep Vox wheels. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna get rid of these soon, but drilled and slotted rotors, painted calipers. Nothing too crazy. Now I have the keys. Yes, I do indeed have an alarm system. So to all of you fans that want to steal my car or break into it, have fun surpassing my 30-year-old alarm system. Looks so happy. Almost reminds me of a Miata, to be honest. Does it look like one? No. Does it handle like one? No. Does it perform like one? Literally no. But like, so happy. And it beeps. Like, are you serious? You know how cool that is? Oh my God. I'll unlock it again. Ooh. Just shows you how mean this car is when it beeps at you. What else do I want to show? I don't know. Gatling doesn't look too bad right now, to be honest. Do want to get rid of this wiper, but here, now you can tell. You can see how dusty it is. I can't even see because my freaking LCD screen is already dusty. Fingerprint central, dust central. It's really bad. All I have to do is leave it overnight. It gets so bad. Well, let's open it up. Show the inside a little bit. Hop inside of it. And this is it. This is her. Of course, it's a manual. I'm not gonna get an automatic. You know, those are the only ones you can find in Vegas. Completely reupholstered interior, red and black two-tone seats, and literally the whole interior. Still don't know how I feel about it fully, but it looks pretty good, to be honest. Not too shabby. Produced 89. Oh my God, dude. What am I even saying? I don't even know, dude. I have the really nice non-steering wheel. God, dude. I have the nicer, in my opinion, way nicer 1990 steering wheel because the car is a 1990, so it is the first year that it was made. So 90, produced in 89, obviously well, not manufactured, but like put out on the lot. 90, ready to buy, first year the Z came out. So it has the non-steering bag steering wheel. Please don't tell my mom. But it has no airbags. So, I mean, that's really cool. No airbags. T-tops are completely functional. Let me hop out and show it. Nice, I dropped the keys. So glad I did that. But, oh, sick, it broke. Mechanic work. Said this is a 30-year-old security system. Yep, okay. Okay. Alrighty, well, little walkthrough. Let's put it in the driveway. I've never put it in the driveway. Rear end will be fine, but I'm one of the people that has these curbs, so that's gonna be really nice. This is fine. This is gonna be a little bit of a doozy. VE turbo exhaust. Doesn't sound too bad. Nice quiet idle. Still sounds pretty mean. Okay, no, it's just quiet. It's not gonna wake up any neighbors if that's what you're looking for, but I like it because I don't want to disturb the peace of my lovely neighbors. But when you get on it, you can hear it a little bit. Alrighty, let's attempt how we're gonna put it back. What's up, little thing? She found this. Oh, jeez. What's up, dude? What's up, little dude? Hi, what are you doing? You like the car? Okay, bye. You like the car? Yep. That's a yes in my books. Okay. So here it is in the driveway. Oh, it looks so good in the driveway. Totally missed the spot, but who cares? I can take up a little bit of space because I won't have it here forever. It's good though. Let's give a little startup inside the car. I'm a dumbass. But watch this. Haha. Alrighty, let's hop inside. Good little startup. Okay. Guess she wants in too. So let's get a little juice. Okay, yep, we're not leaving, so excuse me, dog. Hey, dog. There we go, we're good. I don't even get the camera. Dude, the vlog life is hard. Alrighty. We'll head there now. I love this, just to get to my grandparents' house. I love it. It's nice owning an off-road vehicle, you know? Almost there though. Pretty easy trip. We're here now. Cool. We have arrived. Cool. If you don't look back at your car when you walk away, you bought the wrong. I'm driving a right-hand drive now. Looks so good. I'll probably continue tomorrow, or that'll be it for this video. We'll see, I'll figure it out. But for now, let me put this on my car and scratch my paint. That was really, it didn't do too much. We didn't end up washing the car, so I'll probably end up doing that sometime tomorrow. But besides that, yeah, that's really it. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, that's an L for like, not because make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See ya. Oh, jeez, YouTuber things. Gosh. And then cool outro song. That actually looks really good right now. I probably look so stupid, but who cares? Wow. Do I look stupid? Yeah, I look so stupid, but who cares? Let's see. What if I zoomed it in? Jeez, big baller. This is probably going to bloopers or like at the end of the video somewhere, but I guess I'll do a little retake. So, that'll be it. We didn't do too much today. We didn't end up washing the car or detailing it or anything like that. I'll probably get the spray wax tomorrow or in a little bit or so. I'll probably put that in the video. I'll continue the vlog tomorrow, maybe. If not, this will be the end of the video. And besides that, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay. I hate this thing. Everybody thinks it's freaking adorable. I hate it. It's so annoying. Literally so annoying. Every time my radio comes on, this boom, boom. I hate it. Looks so dumb. It's so much taller than the roof line of the car. Okay, whatever. Let's pull it in. I'm going to put the camera somewhere here. Kind of nice having it in the driveway. I've never had it here before. Love how my dogs bark.